Hey guys, I'm getting ready to switch some things around right now, okay? Um, I decided I'm going to bring this table back to the entryway. Reason being is, let me show you. Excuse the mess, we just came back from our New York trip. I think, even though I love this piece, I think it's too closed off for my entryway, and I want to, my goal is to never take away from the beauty of this trim work that I have and the grandness that I want for this entryway. And I think putting the table back here will allow me to have it back, and then possibly still keep this mirror on the table, or get like a circle mirror to have it there, and then bring this back for right now to put behind the sofa. Right? And then I just feel like I don't need storage in my entryway. I don't, because this is our secondary entrance to the home. So I want to do that, and maybe even get another rug or a smaller rug, because I want to show more of the floor. You know what I mean? But these things are heavy, so I'm not going to be able to do it on camera. But once I do the switch around, you see what I'm talking about. Just keep in mind this right here. This would work if this is your main entry and looking to, like, put away your shoes, your keys and stuff. You can just put everything inside your storage. But for me, that's not the case. I need openness, I need grandness. So let's do that and see what happens. All right, guys. So I'm going to start taking off all these pieces off the both tables, and then figure out somewhere I'm going to move it, because no one is home. It's just me, and the braids are out. I made an appointment for the next few weeks to get it redone. You know. But while I was doing this, before I turned my phone on, I was thinking to myself, like, it is so important that when we're decorating a home, we really think about how your family, how you live, how you use each space. Because in reality, we all know what each space is defined as, right? An entryway is an entrance to your home, but most of us don't use it as an entrance to our home. If we have a garage, we come in through a garage, and that's it, right? So I was just thinking to myself, like, that is why we have to make sure the designer for a home is customizable to you as an individual, to your family, because we can all be influenced and be inspired by others, and then take their style and their thing and put it in our home, and it doesn't work the same. So just be mindful, because in everything that we look at, on social media, when we go to the store, all these different things, they're put out there to influence us in different ways. And sometimes I think we're influenced without knowing that we're being influenced, right? Because we see so many different things, and then we start internalizing things and not knowing where that thought is coming from. So I say that to say this, that when I first bought this table, my intention was for my entryway. And I get bored easily, so I'm always going to move things around. And sometimes some move doesn't make sense to JB and whoever lives in my home. And sometimes some move don't make sense to you guys. But the fun in it for me is that at least I tried, it didn't work, and then we'll move on back to the original plan. So that's that. It's done. It's done. It was a lot. I'm not even gonna lie, it was a lot. It was a lot because I was determined not to empty this thing out and push it down here all the way. So I just pretty much used the rug as a slider, push it all the way down, put a table in the way. I think I scratched the furs up a little bit, so I gotta figure that out. But I am pleased with this being back here. The color against the sofa, against everything works for me right now. So yeah, so I'm just going to decorate this. I'm going to decorate this, and like, damn, I'm looking, I have a whole lot of coffee table books, and I constantly buy more books, but it's fine. I love it, so I'm going to keep on doing that. So I want to keep this simple though. I really do want to keep this simple. So let me show you the front. I'm still catching my breath because the move is a lot. And I know JB's gonna be like, Natanya, I told you XYZ, XYZ. And I'll be like, JB, I told you XYZ, XYZ. So chill, big dog. I like to be playful with him. So quickly, that is it. And yes, that's it. So what I did was I made it where to open the door, it literally stops right here. So the door can open fully when I want to do it. And I'm going to style it up. But remember, I was telling you because I wasn't quite sure if I want to put back this mirror here. Let me show you. It's on the side right here. I like the mirror. I don't know if I want to keep it. I don't know if I want to keep the mirror that goes above it really clean line and not have something so ornate on top. You know what I mean? So I don't know. And then, remember I shared with you guys I bought that green lamp from Target, the, what's her name? Studio McGee collab with Target. So I think that would look nice here too, with some flowers and some other stuff. Okay. I'm excited. Let me see if I can sweep the floor. And I'm going to try and get some of these spots off the floor. But let me show you something. See that? In all honesty, I was thinking if I could do a runner here. So I don't want to have a big rug here. Or a smaller version of that rug that I have. Just something really small, but I'm not quite sure yet. Normally I don't wear shoes inside my house, but just to be safe and I'm here by myself, I put it on so I can move these things around properly. So that's that. Because I had an accident a few weeks ago. It was really bad too. We have a t-shirt press machine and I was moving it and I thought I pushed down the lever and it would stay down. And I went to pick it up and the lever popped back up and literally knocked me out. So since then I've been very, very careful about moving stuff by myself and make sure someone is home. And I know JB gonna fuss a little bit. So that's why I was like, let me try and be more careful this time just in case something happens. It's not bad. Because I'm thinking because I pulled some of it underneath the table, I feel like it looks better than it just being in the front. Maybe I should pull more so you can look at half of the table is on it. You know? And just a tip. All right, that's not bad. What y'all think? And then I have a picture in mind I wanted. Look, that's a hold on. I wanted to do like this book right here. I gotta bring it closer. But I'm going to insert a picture that it has always been my inspiration. I don't know if you've ever seen the AD video of Kerry Washington Manhattan home, which it was done with everything from Restoration Hardware, and she has the stunning entryway with the wooden table, and I just love it. I've always loved it. It's always been that thing in my head that I'm like, that's what I like, and I love Kerry Washington. So I want to go back to that first thing that when we first got this home, that was my inspiration. I want to go back to that. So let me show you. But I didn't want to add, I gotta put the mirror back, damn it. All right. I'll put the mirror back until I decide what I want to do, okay? Ladies, if you're gonna lift, bend the knees, honey, squeeze the gut, and go. 1, 2, 3. So be right here like this. So I would do this right here, right? And then put the seashell thing on top. This right here on top. Ooh, nice. Now, the question remains. Let me show you. So, should I remove the seashell? No, remove the book. Let's see. And just have it be. Because I think in the inspo picture, the art piece was literally sitting on the table. So I think that's cleaner. Let's see. Oh yeah. I think I like it more without the book. Because then it looks better